This morning the washing machine was in the spin cycle, and I heard a gargling sound coming from the shower drain as well as the kitchen. So I was assuming that the sewage line was clogged. This is a life-saving device. You have to attach it to any water hose. What it does is it creates pressure and push the clog down the line. And this is how I did it. By clamping the water hose, I am turning off the water so I can push the water hose into the sewage line deeper. Here,
Oh my god. Who is this? So what was that weird sound?
I'm gonna pull it out and show it to you. I think it worked. I think it worked.
Oh.
Oh my god, it scared me. I thought I was gonna be out here for hours.
Ta-da!